Hey guys, so Mr. Cheng here. We're gonna do a project today. We're gonna make the homemade fins, okay? Because we're going swimming in a little bit, so we're gonna make the homemade fins. What I'll do is I'll fold the fabric in half, trace my hand, sew around the fingertips to give the fins. Then what I'll do next is I will sew around the fingers. Here I'm just cleaning up the edges. I will sew around the fingers to give a better fitment. And then there you go. Voila. You get your swimming fins. We will be trying it out later. And make sure you like and subscribe.